Hello everyone, let's start with ExteriorExpress human wash, shall we? Here we pressure washing a big block paving, which I would say probably 5 or 6 cars can park in this driveway, and it was really dirty. As you can see, lots of weeds, grime and spots all over the driveway. So at the end, the transformation really worth it, as you can see here, and the landlord and ourselves, we were really satisfied with the result. As many our lovely viewers requested not to speed up the video and not put music, and they rather to hear the pressure wash sound, and that's why in this video I'm trying to do what you ask for. And then hope you enjoy watching this video. Please again recommend our channel, share our video, and hasn't subscribed to our channel, please make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the next videos. So lots of white spots, as you can see here, and we use a strong chemical. If we record ourselves, it took us around 3.5 hours to finish this big driveway. And at the end, unfortunately, I forgot to record the timing. And the story of our life is it was cold again, and we struggled to turn on our pressure washing. It takes us 5 minutes, and we start with surface cleaner just to get rid of whatever grime we can, and then use chemical for white spot left behind, and then use turbo nozzle to clean the area. And the result was amazing, and obviously we recommend the landlord to do sand treatment. Hope you enjoy watching video so far. Here we finish with our surface cleaner, and we just washing the area from moss, weed, sand, and grime. As you can see here, we have to use a dustpan because there's a lot of rubbish collected here, and it's heavy to push it with pressure wash. So lots of them, Thomas just clearing up, and then obviously after that we apply chemical and wait around 20-25 minutes, and then just start the final wash with pressure washing to get rid of the moss and weeds left between the blocks.